The green and digital transitions go hand in hand. We are committed to net zero emissions by 2025 in our key markets, and by 2040 in all the footprint, including the value chain. We have reduced our carbon emissions by 40%, including our value chain, in the last 5 years. We also help transform our customers and address their environmental challenges. Our ambition is to help our customers avoid 12 million tons of CO2 per year. We are an industry pioneer in sustainable financing. The company's intention is to have more than 10 billion euros of ESG financing in the following years. Global warming challenge needs a global action now. Telefónica is fully committed.